On the first page of the smartphone app, you'll see three icons: What's New, Calendar, and Notifications, along with top stories. The second page has many other icons: Directory, Menu, Student Information, Transportation, etc. All of these are helpful, as well as social media icons, including YouTube and Instagram. But let's start first with page 1. You'll find top stories that you can click on, or under What's New, you'll see content that is coming in from the schools that you have selected, as well as district news. This is a common news feed, could be pulling in from a notification from the app or social media. You can click the Home button to get back to the main page. If you click the calendar icon, you can then choose from a variety of district calendars. By selecting West Des Moines Community Schools, a new window will open, taking you to our district calendar, just like the one on our website. Let's go back to the app and hit Home. Click on the notifications icon to view messages sent out district-wide or from your student school. You must be logged into the app to view school-specific messages. Click on the notice and scroll to view details. To delete a notice, swipe to the left. In our next video, we will show you how to log into the app, which will then display student-specific information and school-specific notices.